Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna start up our 85 Ford Bronco here for you. Starts really nice. Let's see. There's the stereo. There's the rear defrost. Clock works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn does not work. There's your wipers. So you can see my other picture, the dome light does work. Left window, right window. Power locks probably need actuators because they won't pull down the deal, they get full of dust. So if you want the power locks to work, probably it'll need a little work. So we'll take a listen to the engine and show you the headlights. Now, if I believe from what I've seen in my inspection notes, rear window works from the switch, but not from the key. There's 351, power steering, power brakes, air, runs nice and smooth. Headlights. Seen the pictures from underneath. This thing is really clean underneath too, as far as no rust. So just a great example of a nice Southwest vehicle. So got any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391.